Hello, everyone. Welcome to week 3 in our 4-week, 15-minute beginner yoga series. And today we're going to be doing a beautiful hip opener and some soft stretching for the upper body. My name is Deb, and welcome to Women Reinventing Midlife TV, where we aim to inspire women over 50 to thrive in a meaningful life that you deeply desire and deserve. In week 1 and week 2, we did some hip mobilizers and some hip openers and some gentle stretches for the lower body. And you'll find those videos at the end of this one. This week, we're going to be doing another hip opener and also doing some gentle stretches for the sides of the upper body. Now, remember, if you've never done any exercise or yoga before, to consult your doctor or your specialist first, especially if you have any health conditions. And if you feel any pain or discomfort, it's just a sign to stop what you're doing. And please remember, if you find this content helpful, to subscribe to this channel to support me in continuing to support you. Okay, so let's get on the mat and get started. So as we're doing with all of this yoga series, we're doing this all on our back. So we begin with breath awareness on our back. So let's slowly get down onto our back in a comfortable position. So remembering just to lower yourself down, really making use of your core muscles here as you lower yourself down onto the mat comfortably. Making sure that you're in a great position. I'm just going to move myself away from the wall here. And this week, we're going to begin our practice in reclined butterfly. So keeping your knees bent, just lift your heels and rotate your knees out to the sides, bringing the soles of your feet together. So we actually begin with a beautiful hip opener as well for this practice. Your hands can be relaxed by your sides with your palms facing upwards, thumb and forefinger together, or they can be placed on your abdomen or your chest in a mudra, whichever feels most comfortable for you. Bringing your awareness to your breath and tuning into your breath. You might like to have your eyes closed. You might like to have your eyes open in a gentle gaze, depending on how comfortable you feel with your eyes closed. Your shoulders are relaxed into the mat, your jaw's relaxed, your facial muscles relaxed, and your head and your neck are in alignment with your spine. Bringing your awareness to your breath, beginning a natural breath with a gentle expansion of the abdomen on the inhale and a soft pulling in of the abdomen on the exhale. Natural breath is slow, even flowing, and effortless. There's no pushing or forcing in natural breath. Just going to shuffle myself away from the wall a bit so that I can demonstrate this flow better for you. And now expanding into complete breath, filling your lower, your middle, your upper lungs, filling your lungs to your most comfortable maximum. And as you exhale, releasing from the upper, the middle, the lower lungs, pulling the navel in firmly to the base of the spine. As you breathe in, the abdomen expands, the rib cage expands, the chest expands. As you breathe out, the chest softens, the rib cage softens, the abdomen softens, and the navel pulls in firmly to the base of the spine. Complete breath is filling your lungs to your most comfortable maximum. Maintaining breath awareness. On your next inhale, rotate your knees back to partial recline. And exhale, bring both knees to chest. Tuck your tailbone and bring both knees to chest. For knees to chest asana. Knees to chest asana, breathing into your lower, your middle, your upper lungs. In your knees to chest, your sacrum is still fully grounded on the mat. So even though it's a relaxing posture, it's also quite an active one. On your next exhale, prep for reclined tree. So release your hands and your feet to partial recline and extend your left leg along the mat. Inhale, lift the right heel and rotate that right knee out to the side, bringing the sole of the right foot next to your left thigh. And this might be, if you have a little thin pillow like I do, you might like to place that under your right buttock just to bring your hips level here. You want your hips level here. Your hips are on the same plane. And hold for reclined tree asana. Breathing into the lower, the middle, the upper lungs. And on your next inhale, interlace the hands in front of the hips and bring the arms up, over, and place them down behind your head. And this is where the lovely stretch comes in for the upper body. So we're keeping the shoulders away from the ears. We're really stretching up through the sides of our body. And hold. Breathing into the lower, the middle, the upper lungs. On your next inhale, rotate that right knee back to the partial recline position. Stepping in with the left foot to partial recline. And exhale, knees to chest. So tuck the tailbone, bring both knees to chest as you bring your arms in. Knees to chest asana. Breathing into the lower, the middle, the upper lungs. Filling your lungs to their most comfortable maximum. And we're going to do the other side. On your next exhale, prep for reclined tree. Release the feet and the arms to the mat. And extend the right leg along the mat. Inhale, lift the left heel. Rotate the knee out to the side. And this is where you can place your little pillow. Just a little corner underneath the buttock, just to bring your hips level. Recline tree asana. Breathing into the lower, the middle, the upper lungs. On your next inhale, interlace the hands in front of the hips. And on your next exhale, bring the arms up, over, and place them down behind your head and hold for extended recline tree asana. Bringing your focus to your breath, filling your lower, your middle, your upper lung. Making sure that your shoulders are away from your ears in your extended reclined tree. There should be no hugging your ears with your shoulders. Enjoying the stretch along the sides of your body and the opening of the hips. On your next inhale, rotate the knee back to partial recline. Step in with the right foot. Exhale, knees to chest. Tuck the tailbone, bring the knees to chest as you bring the arms in. Knees to chest, asana. Breathing into the lower, the middle, the upper lungs. These are beautiful stretches to wake up the body in the morning as well, or to wind the body down in the evenings. On your next inhale, spider, lift both feet. Bring the knees out to the side and down towards the armpits and hold. Take hold of the pinky toe sides of the foot, or take hold of the ankles or the calves, whichever feels more comfortable for you. Breathing into the stretch. If the legs are bouncing, that's perfectly normal. Filling your lower, your middle, your upper lungs. And on the exhale, releasing the breath all the way out, pulling the navel in firmly to the base of the spine. On your next exhale, bring the knees and the feet together and down into knees to chest. For knees to chest asana, you can stay still at the center with your knees to chest, or you can gently rock from side to side, whichever is more comfortable for you. If you rock from side to side, they're slow and even flowing movements with the rhythm of your breath. On your next exhale, recline butterfly again, releasing feet and arms to the mat. Inhale, lift both heels and rotate the knees out to the sides, bringing the soles of the feet together in recline butterfly. The hands can be relaxed by your sides with your palms facing upwards, or they can be placed on your chest in a mudra. And this is the perfect opportunity to do some breath awareness, do some yoga nidra as you release into your natural breath with a gentle expansion of the abdomen on the inhale and a soft pulling in of the abdomen on the exhale. Don't skip your yoga nidra. It is an important part of the practice for embedding of the practice. It's also an important practice for your nervous system. If you found this practice helpful, please remember to like the video, share, subscribe to this channel, and click the bell for notifications so that you're notified as soon as the next video comes out. Lots of love to you, and I'll look forward to connecting next time. Namaste.